Hi there guys, welcome back to Kids Corner. And today, now that you are almost winning the competition to come on safari for the whole family, it's a good idea to start planning what to pack. So, I've been camping and been in the bush for a very long time, so I can help you guys. Make sure that you make a list so you can show your mom and dad that you have everything that you need. Okay, first of all, you need your big torch. The big torch is to spot things at night. Remember the torch lesson. So you really need to ask your dad if it could be a mag light. It's nice and heavy and it lasts really long, and you can also hit someone with it. Then you need your binoculars. We showed you how to use your binoculars, and it's important that you have your own binoculars. You can't use someone else's binoculars. So make sure you get your binoculars. Then it's always good to cut your nails. The nails supposed to be nice and short. And this is always what we forget, and this is nice and pink because it belongs to my daughter. Then you need anti-zan. If something bites you and it's itchy, then you put this cream on and the itch goes away, so very important. Then you need zambak. It's for nice soft lips, so make sure you have this. It's windy out here, and in the car the wind blows a lot, so your lips get very dry. Then you need this Yeti glass. You can put hot things in there, or you can put cold things in there. Various kinds of cold things, some stronger cold things, some not so strong cold things. Then you need your head torch. This is for around your tent, so both your hands are free while you have light to see what you're doing at night. Very important. Then you must ask your dad to immediately go onto Amazon on the line and get a dimmer box. This dimmer box has 40 hours of battery life, and this is what you use to call birds and other things. Then you must definitely bring a camera. There's no point in coming on safari if you can't take pictures and video of your safari. So ask your dad to get yourself at least a Canon 5D Mark IV. Not the Mark III, the Mark IV. Very important. And then a nice big lens, not a little lens, a big lens with nice zoom so that you can get closer. And maybe this will be your Christmas and birthday present. Okay guys, and then out here in Africa the sun is very strong. We are very close to the equator. That means the sun goes straight through the atmosphere. That means you need a hat that can cover your, hopefully you have more hair than I do, but I definitely need a hat. Then guys, very important, you need thallies. These are leather shoes that's specially made for the bush. They are not too warm, they are not too cold, and they're just perfect to wear the whole day, every day. Okay guys, make sure that you pack your things. You can already start packing your bag. Just make sure that you have everything on the list. Then we'll see you on safari.